need to be talented in order to get good at architectural drawing? No, the answer is no. Talent is something that comes from your personal study. The more time and energy you put into studying, the better off you are, and the closer you are to something that comes across as talented. Truth is, in architecture, people just see final results, and if you don't have those final results there, they're 99% there, but they're not 100% there, you don't qualify as being talented. And yeah, that's how things are. You shouldn't worry about it. You should just focus on what interests you. If you find interest in architectural drawing, the slightest interest, which starts off like something really small and then grows to something that's like a strong passion for architecture and architectural drawing, then you shouldn't think about talent. Talent is something that you will express as you move along in your studying journey. Simple as that. Yeah, that's it. Don't worry about talent. Just worry about doing the next thing to get your drawings better. Cool. Take care. Draw nicely.